Beans and Ugba, I don't even know why I tried this combo, but I just tried it and it's actually really good. I didn't expect this at all. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you've been watching, thank you for always coming back. So let me show you how I made this. So I already picked my beans earlier. I'm just washing it properly, as you can see. Now I'm placing it on the fire to cook. This part takes time, so we just let it cook gently. While that was cooking, I went ahead to prepare my fish. So I'm seasoning it properly so every bite is full of flavor. Then I boiled it before frying. I like to boil my fish before frying. You can decide to air fry, you can decide to fry directly. I came back to check on my beans. I thought it was ready, but it wasn't. So while that was still cooking, I moved on to my plantain. So yeah, I washed my plantain, I peeled it and I sliced it just the way I like it. After that, I went ahead to fry it. So just the normal process of frying plantain, nothing big over here. So I allowed it to fry until it is golden. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple meals like this. Now my beans is finally ready and I went ahead to prepare the Ugba mix. So into my pan goes my red oil, added my pepper mix, and after adding that, I stirred gently. Mind you, I'm cooking all of this on low heat. So while I stir gently, I allow the pepper mix to heat up properly. After that, I added my seasoning cubes. After adding my seasoning, I went ahead to add my salt. After adding my salt, I added crayfish. After adding my crayfish, I went ahead to stir gently. Note, I'm stirring all these mixtures on low heat. I went ahead to add my Ugba and kept stirring gently. After which I let it sit and heat properly for about 2 minutes. Now my Ugba sauce is ready. So I turned off the gas and placed it aside. It's now time for us to add it into our cooked beans. So I added the sauce into my cooked beans and I mixed everything properly. So you can decide to check for taste. If it's not well seasoned, you can decide to top up seasoning at this point. I already did that. I didn't show that part and it's nice. And just like that, it's ready. Beans with Ugba, fried plantain and fish, simple and so satisfying. You can decide to use any protein of your choice. I enjoy eating beans with fish. I don't know about you. So tell me in the comment section, would you try this combo? And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.